Paddington and the Browns took a trip to France. The people in the village were excited to meet a young bear. The bakers made buns just for Paddington. Other shopkeepers waved to him when he walked through town. The next morning, Paddington woke to loud noises in the street. Paddington looked out the window. People were dressed in fancy clothes. The shops were decorated with flags. They were filled with sweets and candles. Paddington went to see the baker. He told Paddington all about a special festival in the town. That day, there would be a fair, fireworks, and a parade. "I am the leader of the band, and this is my uniform," said the baker. Paddington was very impressed. Paddington and the Browns went to the fair. There was so much to do and see. Paddington tried the slides and swings. He rode the merry-go-round over and over again. Next, Paddington visited a fortune teller. She looked into her crystal ball. "You will go on a journey. It will end with a bang," she predicted. When Paddington came out of the tent, he saw the baker looking worried. The band's drummer was too sick to drum. They needed a replacement. The fortune teller predicted a big bang, Paddington said. This could be it. Paddington would join the band. Boom, boom, boom. Paddington practiced with the band all afternoon. The parade began that evening. The baker led the band down the street. Paddington came last. He carried a big drum. He could not see over it. But everyone saw Paddington. People were thrilled that he was playing in the band. He had saved the day. Everyone clapped. The Browns clapped the loudest. Paddington beamed with pride. The band turned at the end of the street, but Paddington kept marching. He did not see the band turn. He just kept playing his drum. Paddington was tired. His hat kept slipping into his eyes. He could not hear the band anymore. The drum was getting heavy. Paddington tripped and fell down. He could not get up. Thump, thump, thump. Paddington kept drumming. The Browns watched the band pass by. Where was Paddington? They followed the sound of his drum. They were so glad to find him. Everyone was thrilled to see Paddington. They cheered for their guest drummer. Paddington and the Browns settled in to watch the evening show. Fireworks! Bang! The sky filled with colors. Paddington beamed. It was the perfect ending to an eventful day. This has been Paddington Plays On by Michael Bond, illustrated by R.W. Alley.